Our next topic is naive-Bayes classifier implementation using Python. As you know, naive-Bayes classifier is based on Bayes theorem, which is very well used for text classification. We'll see a sample text classification by using our 20 news groups dataset. A 20 news groups dataset contains this many different types of news categories, which contains a large number of news items, and we'll download this dataset directly from sklearn's datasets library. Okay, so it contains news groups like religion, computer, miscellaneous, science, in computer itself, hardware, then Windows, graphics, then science, it contains cryptography, medicine, electronics, then politics, then records like autos, baseball, hockey, etc. So many different types of uh, news groups are constructed, and based on that a text is a large data set is constructed, and that large data set is labeled using this 20 labels. So here we are trying to do a multi-class classification with 20 categories. Let's open our notebook and name it as naive-Bayes. Okay, then we'll import the necessary import libraries. Import numpy as np for our scientific sort of calculations, then import pandas for data set operations, then we'll import plot also, matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Then we require cbond here, import cbond as sns. Datasets also will import directly from sklearn, so import sklearn dot datasets from import 20 news groups dataset, fetch 20 news groups, that's the name given. Then you say data equal to fetch 20 news groups. Now you can see the data will be downloading. It will take some time for downloading the data. It is a 40 MB 14 MB dataset. So data is downloaded, and these are the target names. See that these are the target names: alt atheism, computer graphics, computer OS Windows, computer system hardware, computer Mac hardware, etc. So these are the 20 target categories. We'll just copy this to construct our categories. Then open a new cell, and say categories are just copied items. So these are the categories, and so on. So there are 20 categories. So now our training dataset and testing dataset, everything is already available in the dataset itself. So you can directly use it instead of splitting with test train function, train test split function. Here I am showing it in a different way. Train equal to fetch 20 news groups, subset equal to, you take the subset, training subset, then the categories are, we have just constructed categories, so categories are categories itself. Test also will use the same function. The subset we use it as test, that's it. The test set here we use is, let's check the size of the training data and testing data from our from this command, length of train data and length of test data. Train data size is 11,314 and test data size is 7,000 something, 7,532. Okay, now we'll start with sklearn feature extraction and use naive Bayes. We use multinomial naive Bayes. Why? Because we have 20 different categories here. Okay, so from sklearn dot feature extraction, import tf-idf vectorizer. tf-idf vectorizer is for calculating the tf-idf score of each of the document. Then we'll import naive Bayes also from sklearn dot naive Bayes, import multinomial naive Bayes. From sklearn dot pipeline, we use a pipeline here. First the tf-idf will be calculated, then the multinomial naive Bayes will be done. Import make pipeline, so you call that command make pipeline. First is the tf-idf vectorizer, then our multinomial naive Bayes. And you just fit with the model dot model equal to, you first make pipeline, so we'll assign model here itself, model equal to make pipeline, so it will be done. Model dot fit, first is train value, then test values. Sorry, for fitting you need to submit model train dot data and train dot what else, train dot categories, isn't it? Train dot target here, target. Then you can go for prediction, labels equal to model dot predict, model dot predict test dot data. Once you have predicted, you can ask for accuracy score, print metrics dot accuracy score, test dot target, and labels. That are the two values you need to compare and give the accuracy score. From sklearn import metrics. So let's see. Import error from sklearn dot feature extraction dot text, that is the function. So feature extraction dot text, cannot import sklearn dot feature extraction dot text. One second. sklearn dot feature extraction dot text import tf idf vectorizer. Okay, so the accuracy of the model is, now it is executing model dot predict test dot data. sklearn dot accuracy score. It tests with the training data, then more labels is predicted, and 77.3 is the accuracy score predicted by that. Now let's display this as a heat map. So you construct a matrix equal to matrix dot confusion matrix. What are the values to be passed? Test dot target comma labels. So confusion matrix is constructed. You show confusion matrix as a heat map. SNS dot heat map mat dot t, the matrix should be shown. Annotate equal to true, then xtick labels equal to train dot target names, y tick labels equal to same train dot target names. So this is the plot you have obtained. Oh, here the format is wrong, so we'll add format also. fmt equal to d. Okay, so from this you can see that this is how it has predicted the values. So alt atheism, it has predicted 166 values true positive. Then this was predicted as computer graphics once, and so on. So this is a pictorial representation of what you have obtained in the confusion matrix. So that's about an implementation of naive Bayes algorithm using our 20 news groups dataset. 20 news group dataset was dealing with these 20 labels. So a total of a large number of data was there. This data itself is divided into training and testing subsets. Training subset and testing subset are labeled. Now we have constructed a pipeline which first contains a TF-IDF vectorizer, then a multinomial naive Bayes. So using these two, we have fit our data onto the model and then predicted the label. Output is predicted. The accuracy obtained is 77.3%. But here in the heat map of the confusion matrix, you can see that your uh, classifier was working very well compared to only very few. For example, in this case, it was in this news group, it was giving maximum error, and in this group also it is giving some maximum number of error. For all the other, it was giving very good performance. Thank you.